Okay, go ahead. Now you can do your Kodak thing. Okay. Where's the sippy cup? What'd you do with the sippy? Oh, there it is. Let's go fishing. Whoa, it's gone way down. Hang on. Okay, let's try it again. And I. All right. Uh-oh. Here's the big girl. You got it? What do you think? What do you think? Huh? Tell Grandma that. What's that noise? Tell Grandma that. What do you think? Yeah, I know. Tell Grandma that. Tell Grandma. Yes, that's a big girl. You want to talk? Say Dada. Say Dada. Come on, you can do it. Mama. Good girl. Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? See? Eyes. Do itsy bitsy? Let's do itsy bitsy. Malia. Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain, washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Say yay! Look at those little feet. We got big girl shorts on today. Yes, we do. Uh-oh. There it goes. Emma sees you. You got a turtle? Let's see the turtle. There's your turtle. Yay. See? My precious. You want that thing off? What? Say hello. Say hello. Hi, Malia. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wave your fingers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Malia. You tease me with that.